Kumpiyansa ang City Government of San Fernando na bayu ya mayaring Mayo makapagumpisa na laking COVID-19 testing kareng Fernandino. Agpang kasi kang Dr. Renelyn Tungol ing incident commander ning syudad, ngening paruminggong iti marapating final accreditation ning testing center ning San Fernando king Green City Medical Hospital.
Tinta na pong final inspection ketang kaya katamo accreditation team. So, pag may pasarya po ka rin, magmunta nila po kay stage 4 po kanita, which is ita pong proficiency pin po.
Itinamo kano'y panenayan bang magamit na lading 5,000 test kits sa sinadyaning lokal kapanibalan. At lungdala na test kanwal doldoing karelang target gawan king testing center.
That is for the 24-hour operation na po ita. Yan po. But of course, as expected, just like JBL, na during the few weeks, at wala pa puro kitang kaya pa rin, minimum pa rin kasi chupa po kitang proficiency kasi talaga.
Pablasa ang atine kanong sariling swab collecting center at experting city government, inya asahan da nalakwas maligwaing pa magprosesong test samples.
Ating tamo pong separate na swabbing teams. Ito, manpower niya to ni San Fernando kasi we will do the collections ourselves. So aside from that, we have our own collecting center.
Agpang kang tungol atin pa may tuki-tuki ka rin dapat itest.
Of course po, dito po kaya katamang frontliners exhibiting signs and symptoms, including those who are currently in the hospital na talagang severely ill patient. So priority la po dito.
Matukilaking prioridad ding high-risk groups kalupa dareng senior citizens sampong masakit.
Those with signs and symptoms po pero high-risk groups, belongs to the high-risk groups. So, nino po din Deta pong senior citizen, deta pong ating comorbid such as hypertension, diabetes, makanyan, and for those who are close contact, high-risk na po deta. And then later on, afterwards, ito pong next group naman po kanita are those in the general population who are exhibiting signs and symptoms.
Nung may karakal naman kanuding may test kailangan ma-isolate, at ineng makasadyang quarantine facility in Syudad King Civic Center King Barangay San Isidro, ang popareng 5 eskwelang inaprubahan ng iparam ng DepEd. Karen Maurilio, CLTV News.